Students, today we are going to discuss about the chemical reactions of ethylamine. In previous class, we start their chemical nature or chemical properties and take a chemical reaction of ethylamine with hydrochloric acid. Today, we start its chemical reaction with sulfuric acid. The concentrated sulfuric acid react with ethylamine to make their additional products named ethyl ammonium sulfate. Its chemical reaction is given as C2H5NH2 is the formula of ethylamine when it reacts with sulfuric acid H2SO4. Also write it HHSO4. Then hydrogen consumed by NH2 and converted on NH3. Then it make C2H5NH3HSO4. It is known as ethyl ammonium hydrosulfate. In the max presence of ethylamine, C2H5NH2 react with sulfuric acid H2SO4 to form C2H5NH3 whole taken 2 and SO4. This product is known as ethyl ammonium sulfate. Ethyl ammonium sulfate. Now next reaction. Reaction with water. It reacts with water to form their hydroxide. The formula of ethylamine is C2H5NH2 and react with water H2ORH. This hydrogen is consumed by NH2 group to form ammonia. C2H5 NH3OH. This product is known as ethyl ammonium hydroxide. Now next reaction, reaction with ethyl chloride. C2H5Cl. It reacts with C2H5Cl means C2H5NH2 react with C2H5Cl to form C2H5 का whole taken 2 NH2Cl. This entity is shown there positive ion and Cl is negative ion means anion. This one is known as diethyl ammonium chloride. Next reaction with acetyl chloride. Formula is CH3COCl. It is an the example of acid chloride or acid. When ethylamine C2H5NH2 react with CH3COCl, it is also write NHH. Then a single hydrogen atom subtracted this chlorine atom to form HCl. Then product is C2H5NHCOCH3 and subtraction with HCl. This product is known as N-ethyl acetamide because the version of CONH is known as acetamide. Now next reaction with acetic anhydride. Its formula is CH3CO का whole taken 2 and O. It is also represented by this formula: O single bond O, COCH3 and COCH3. It reacts with ethylamine C2H5NH2 and HH. Here it makes N-ethyl acetamide and subtracted acetic acid molecule CH3COOH to form C2H5NH and COCH3. It is called N-ethyl acetamide and plus subtraction of CH3COOH. So both reactions means acetic anhydride and acetyl chloride make same product N-ethyl acetamide. Now next reaction is most important. Reaction with benzene sulfonyl chloride. Its formula is C6H5SO2Cl, also known as Hinsberg reagent. So this reaction is also known as reaction with Hinsberg reagent. When benzene sulfonyl chloride react with ethylamine, then it subtracted hydrogen chloride HCl and make C6H5 SO2Cl, SO2, and HCl is removed here. So it is in the conjugation part of this product. NH and C2H5. Its name is N-ethyl, because here C2H5 group is available. Benzene sulfonamide. So this product is known as N-ethyl benzene sulfonamides. It is also represented by their structural formula. C6CH5 is the form of aromatic ring. It reacts with SO2Cl to form C2H5. Here it's substituted HCl to form SO2 NHC2H5. This one is known as N-ethyl benzene sulfonamide. Now next reaction. The reaction with phenyl isocyanate C6H5NCO. It is also the most important reaction because in this reaction we find out product N-ethyl and phenyl urea. It is in the category of aromatic ring. C6CH5 NCO react with ethylamine C2H5 NH2. This reaction gives addition product because single hydrogen of NH2 group conjugated with this nitrogen to form C6H5 NH CONH and C2H5. Students, you also know that the formula of urea is NH2CONH2. So this version is used for the nomination of urea. Its name is N-ethyl and phenyl urea. Another way we make this reaction in their structural formula C6CH5 NCO plus C2H5 gives NH CONH and C2H5. Is then the important conversion of ethylene. Another class we discussed about some other chemical reactions, important chemical reaction like as a carbylamine reaction. It is in the version of nomination reaction and also reaction with halogens and other and give its chemical reactions.